Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is jmc1, lesson 29 online lesson. I wish you are all doing well. If you haven't sent me the French Fried Bandit solo performance, please do so I can watch your performance and give you some comments back. Alright, let's begin today's lesson. We're gonna start with Sol La Si Do Re. Sing. Listen. So. Sing. So. Sing. So. Sing. So. Sing. So. Sing. 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 Listen. Sing. Do. Sing. Do, mi, do. Sing. Mi. Sing. So. Sing. Mi. Sing. Mi. Sing. Mi, do, mi. Sing. Mi, so, mi. Sing. Mi. Sing. Mi, re, do. Sing. Now can you sing? Do, so, do, mi, so, sing. Si, fa, so, si, fa, so, si, fa, so, sing. Do, mi, so, si, fa, so, do, mi, so, sing. Can you sing? Do, fa, la, sing. Do, fa, la, sing. Do, fa, la, do, fa, la, do, fa, la, sing. Now can you sing? Do, mi, so, do, fa, la, do, mi, so, sing. Do, fa, la, do, fa, la, do, mi, so, sing. Okay, now can you sing? So, si, re, sing. So, si, re, sing. So, do, mi, sing. So, do, mi, sing. So, si, re, so, si, re, so, si, re, sing. Now can you sing? So, do, mi, so, do, mi, so, do, mi, sing. Can you sing? So, si, re, so, do, mi, so, si, re, sing. Can you sing? So, do, mi, so, do, mi, so, si, re, sing. Now can you sing? Fa, do, re, sing. Fa, do, re, sing. So, si, re, fa, do, re, so, si, re, sing. Listen. Fa, do, re, so, si, re, sing. All right. Okay, now I'm gonna do. Okay, listen. Sing. So, 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 mi, sing. Listen. Sing. Listen. Sing. Fa, 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 so, mi, re, sing. Listen. Sing. Do, re, mi, fa, so, sing. Listen. Sing. Sing. Listen. Sorry. Sing. Do, so, so, mi, re, so, sing. Listen. Do, so, so, mi, re, do, sing. Listen. Do, so, so, mi, re, do, sing. Listen. Sing. All right, listen. Si, 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 la, si, do, re, re, si, la, si. Maybe a little bit too high for the boys, but try your best. Si, 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 la, si, do, re, re, si, la, si, sing. Listen. Do, do, la, so, la, re, re, si, sing. Do, do, la, so, la, re, re, si, sing. Si, 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 la, si, do, re, re, si, la, si, sing. Do, do, la, so, la, re, re, si, sing. Now can you sing? Si, 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 la, si, do, re, re, si, la, si. Do, do, la, so, la, re, which is the page loud and soft. So can you point at forte for me on page 29? Page 29. Which one is forte? Please point at forte. So it's just right here. That means how you play loud. That means you play loud. And can you point at a piano for me? Did you find it? Piano. That means you play quiet. You play quiet. So loud, quiet. All right. And then for next week's homework is page, let's see. It's page 32. Let's write. So boys and girls, make sure you write your notes really, really neat. So for example, this is a high do. So you make sure that you have the note within that space, like that. So don't write over the fourth line or the third line. Make sure that the circle is fully in the space. And then high re, and then make sure the circle is on the line. Okay, it's on the line. Okay, so be careful with that. Yeah, so first of all, you trace the note, and then you need to write on your own. You write one more extra ones on your own. Okay, that's that. Okay. Sweet dance. Page 33. Are you ready? So just sing after me. Mi, so, do, mi, re, so, mi, do. Sing. Listen. Mi, so, do, mi, re, so, mi, do. Sing. Now, Miss Melody, why don't you find the do, re, mi, fa, so, finger number 1, the right hand, finger number 1, can you wiggle your finger number 3, and then can you wiggle your finger number 5, can you wiggle your finger number 1, so it goes mi, so, do, mi, re, so, mi, do. So today we just work on mi, so, do, mi. Let's try that. Finger number 1 on do, and then finger number 3 on mi. So find your middle do, right hand. So we're gonna start from, let's do mi, go. 5, so, go. Do, go. Now can you go mi, so, do, mi. Ready? Try. Mi, so, do, mi. Try. My turn. Your turn. Mi, so. My turn. Okay, let's try one more time. Just mi, so, do, mi. That's gonna be your special part. Listen. Place. Mi, so, do. My turn. Re, so, mi. Your turn. My turn. Re, so, fa, mi, re, do. Okay. Now, I think mi, so, do, mi. I think you'll be fine for the mi, so, do, mi. So Miss Melody, wanna you continue? So we're gonna continue learning this piece. So can you wiggle your finger number 2? Can you wiggle your finger number 5? can you go re, so, fa, mi, re, do? So it's like like do, re, mi, fa, sol, do, re, mi, fa, sol, re, sol, fa, mi, re, do, do. So it's kind of similar idea. Re, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Ready, try. Re, sol, fa, mi, re, do. One more time. Re, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Re, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Now can you try? Re, sol, mi, do. Re, sol, mi, do. Ready, try. Re, sol, mi, do again. So your special part is going to be the re part. So re, sol, mi, do, and then re, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Now I'm going to play the mi part, the mi, so, do, mi part. Okay, listen. So your finger number 2, be ready for the re. Your turn. Re, sol, mi, do. My turn. Your turn. Re, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Last time. Listen. Listen. Slow. Your turn. Re. Re, sol, mi, do. My turn. Your turn. Re, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Okay. Now let's just review the left hand. Work on the right hand. Just sing and play. Just right hand by itself. And then let's review the left hand. Do, mi, so, and the si, fa, so. Do, mi, so, do, mi, so, do, mi, so, do, mi, so. Like this. Do, mi, so, low, do, fa. Oh, when I say do, mi, so, you play do, mi, so. And then can you play si, fa, so? Yes, when I say si, fa, so, then you play si, fa, so, okay? Listen. Start with do, mi, so. Ready? Go. Do, mi, so. Do, mi, so. Si, fa, so. Do, mi, so. Do, mi, so again. Do, mi, so. Si, fa, so. And do, mi, so. Okay. All right. If you want to try both hands, feel free. If you want to challenge yourself, feel free to try both hands. But for this week, just practice the right hand and then left hand. Then you'll be good. All right. Let's do next one. It's gonna be Party in the Sky. Okay. So let's sing along first with me. Can you find the left hand? So, re. And then quickly, can you find the fa sharp re? Like that, okay? Now let's try. You play the left hand, I play the right hand. Start with the so re, just like last week. Like, okay, listen. So re, si, so re, si, fa sharp re, la, si, do, la, so re, si, so re, si. So re, si, fa sharp re, la, si, do, la, so re, and so re, si, so re, si, fa sharp re, la, si, do, la, so re, si, so re, si, so re, si, fa sharp re, la, si, do, la, so re. Okay, so you keep so re, fa, sha, re, so re. All right, now can you find your right hand? This is the right hand, or your mirrors, right hand, and finger number 1 or so. So it's like so, la, si, do, re, that position. So, la, si, do, re. So if you don't know how to find the so you go from the middle do, re, mi, fa, so, do, re, mi, fa, so, and then you move finger number 1 to so, like that. Okay, now can you go so, go? Si, go. Finger 3, si, try. So, try. Si, I think that's easy. Sing and play. Ready, go. C, 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 C. Stop. One more time. Listen. Your turn. C, 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 C. My turn. Your turn. C, 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 C. My turn. Now can you try? La, la, la. Try. So la is next to the so. La, la, la. Try. La, si, do. Try. La, si, do, la. Try. Now can you go? La, si, do, la, si. Ready? Try. La, si, do, la, si. Now can you go? La, si, do, la, si. So try. La, si, do, la, si. So sing and play. La, si, do, la, si. So and next is easy. Can you go? La, si, do, la, so. Sing and play. Try. La, si, do, la, so. La, si, do, la, so. Sing and play. Now, Miss Melody, you're gonna play the CCC part. You're gonna play the special la part. First time you play la, si, do, la, si, so, and then la, si, do, la, so. Listen. Your turn. La, si, do, la, si, so. My turn. Your turn. La, si, do, la, so. My turn. Okay, for this week, Miss Melody wanted you just play the C, 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 la, si, do, la, si, so, C, 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 la, si, do, la, so with the right hand, okay, that I put on the homework sheet. If you want to add your left hand with the so, re, so, re, fa, sha, re, feel free to do so, because that's a little bit challenging. So, sound like so, re, fa, sha, re, and so, re, so, re, so, re, fa, sha, re, and so, re. And all right. So for this week, play right hand, left hand, still the same same as last week. Don't forget your left hand. So re, fa, sha, re. The same as the our king goes for a walk. So re goes like this. So re, and then fa, sha, re has to stretch, and your left hand start from. It's basically around the middle do. So if you find the finger number 2 on the middle do, and then re, do, si, la, so. So you have re, do, si, la, so. Finger number 2 on middle do. So you go re, do, si, la, so. So you have so re, and then fa, sha, re, it's gonna go up. So re, stretch to the next black key. So it's fa, fa sharp, and then find your fa goes up for half step to the black key, and that's gonna be fa sharp. It's a little bit of stretchy, so fa sharp re, so re, stretch, fa sharp re, so re. Okay, and then if you want to challenge yourself, make sure you do both hands for not make sure you feel free to try the both hands. And then next week we're gonna work on the second page, the right hand, the re, si, re, si part. And then boys and girls, make sure every time you practice at home on your own, make sure you sing and play. So singing is quite important. You know how to sing it first, and then you know how to play according to how you sing it. So singing helps your play. If you don't know how to sing, then you don't know what to play, right? Yeah. I think that will be all for this week. If you haven't sent me the solo video yet, please do so. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.